Here's an electric pressure washer from Amazon. You can get them around $100. So if you need some pressure wash and you're wondering how well electric pressure washer would do, well, we're about to find out. There's not much to put it together. Few screws for the handle and everything else just pops right in. You just screw it in right here for your water supply. Plug it in. This porch right here is long overdue for a cleaning. A pressure washer works just exactly what it say, pressure. So if you turn it on and you pull this trigger and it's not really doing nothing, could be that you forgot to put your end on it, because it needs to be a pressure through the whole system. When you get ready to pressure wash, I have 4 different tips to use. There you have it. This porch look a whole lot better than it did when I first started. If you was any skeptical about an electric pressure washer, they'll do what you need to do. If you follow my channel at all, I'm all about doing it yourself for whatever reason it may be. But if you want to hire yourself to do some pressure washing around your house, and you want to know how well electric pressure washer would do, I would recommend it. Check my description for a link.